guys? Wednesday morning on my way to work. Just thought I'd shoot a little video on the way. No off-road excursions today, just headed to work. So probably be maybe a boring run for you guys. Put the shields down here so you can hear me. So lucky for me, I don't have a long commute to work. At least not right now with my current job. And being down here in the Charlotte area, that's something to be proud of. Most people travel a minimum of 30 minutes or longer to get to work, unless you live in uptown. So I enjoy living on the outskirts of Charlotte. I don't like being in too much hustle and bustle and traffic and, you know, busyness of the work crowd. I like to be on the outskirts where everything's a little quieter. Traffic's not bad out here unless you come out during rush hour, which I avoid most of the time. I work a little later shift than some people, so I miss a lot of the early morning traffic, and then coming home is later, so I miss that 5 o'clock traffic also. I enjoy that. I do not like traffic. I do like this area though. I like living in North Carolina. Born and raised here. If you can't tell from my accent, but I'm sure you probably can. about North Carolina is the ability to get to the mountains or the beach in a relatively short amount of time. You know, we got mountains here that are 2 to 3 hours away. The beach is about 3 hours away from the Charlotte area, so I enjoy that. Nice to be able to just pick one or the other and take a weekend if you want to. A lot of nice roads to ride. It's not too flat. I feel sorry for Scratch Babel down there with the flatlands in Florida and all the sand, but I enjoy his videos. Nice weather today. This week's a lot better than it was last few weeks. Last few weeks it was thunderstorms almost every evening. You couldn't tell, you know, from the morning to the evening when it was going to rain. So I pretty much stayed off the bike. This is the middle of August, so the weather here is kind of unpredictable as far as rain goes. You may get an evening thunderstorm. It's kind of similar to spring. It could be nice and sunny most of the day, and then thunderstorm will just come up out of nowhere in the evening. Today it's supposed to be pretty clear. Next few days I think are supposed to be pretty clear. About 90 degrees. I'll be in the office all day, so I'll miss most of the heat. Nice day like this is when I ride the bike to work. I'm trying to save a little gas. My other vehicle is a Honda Pilot, and it's not terrible on gas for a SUV, but it's not great either. So four-wheel drive doesn't allow for much hypermiling. A lot of your coasting isn't very efficient. So the bike definitely takes the cake as far as gas mileage goes. Sometimes I'm a little jealous of you guys up north and out west who can split lanes and not get called for it. Can't do that around here. Nobody likes it. The drivers don't like it. The cops don't like it. It is illegal, so it's probably not safe anyway. It's all right. It is hard when you're crammed in with a bunch of people going 20 miles an hour in a 45, not to want to just shoot down the middle or hit a shoulder. And I won't say I haven't done that many years ago, but not anymore. I'm sure you guys noticed my D-cell popping. I don't mind it too bad. The pipe I got on here is a Lex. I don't know if you're probably going to ask me that, but I got a Lex on here, and no carb adjustments yet, no jetting. So this is I do have the jets. I just haven't put them in yet. So. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go here in a minute. Just pulling into work, so hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy the outdoors if you can. Maybe you don't have to be at work. Talk to y'all later.